We're speaking with Lu Wang, Public Relations Officer with Makeblock. Welcome to Techstination. What is Makeblock?
We're a DIY robotics company, and we are one of the leading brands in the STEM education field. So basically what we did is we provide platforms for makers, hobbyists, and also STEM educators and students to engage with different projects using our over 500 mechanical parts or, with our products.
So describe for us how this works. You've got some of the parts here on the table. Tell us how it works. You buy a kit?
Yeah, so here the first one that we were looking at was the Lu Wang project that we just launched on Kickstarter in March. Actually, this is an electronic building blocks platform. So we have over 30 different blocks which you can combine, mix and match together and create your own creative gadgets. So this one is our air block. So this is also one of our latest projects. It's a drone, but it comes with 3 different modes, the land, air, and also the water mode as well. So you can change the shape of the drone because it's modular and programmable and it's magnetic. So it's pretty safe to interact with. In case it hit like a surface, it will disassemble, and then you can put them back together, put the pieces back together as well. And
when will they actually be available for consumers?
They are already on Kickstarter, so if you are interested, you can hop onto the Kickstarter website and order your kit. And for the air block, it's going to be available in May. And for the Lu Wang project, if you order like our different kits, we have like wizard kit, all-in-one kits, and different options, and it will ship in June.
Very interesting. How did this come about? What's the story behind it?
I think the story's always been we wanted to push for innovations, especially in the STEM education field. We want to make learning fun and also a very engaging way. So programming and coding shouldn't be hard for people who want to learn, right? So we're trying to lower the entry barrier for those who are willing to learn more about coding or programming language. So that's why we also not only have hardwares, we also have the Makeblock software and also programmable the graphical programming software is called Makeblock to help users to learn and getting more comfortable with coding language and get them started. We also have MBlock. That's one of the gamification way of learning as well. So basically it has 9 different rounds which children can interact with it. After passing each stage, they learn different logics behind the coding language. And also we have textbooks as well. So we work with some of the leading educators in Europe and also develop textbooks and introduce them to MBots or new ways of learning in classroom. Now that's also what we are doing as well.
Where does pricing start?
For the pricing wise, we have different product lines. So for the MBot wise, it's our entry level robots. So we have for if it's in renminbi currency, it's 500 something in renminbi. So that's equal to I think
we'll have to do some currency conversion.
Yeah, but definitely our MBot is our entry level robot, and we also have the MBot Ranger. So it's one level up. In case you get more comfortable with the programming language, you can actually having a little bit slightly more complicated projects. And for another level up will be Ultimate 2.0 robots. That one is very creative, and also a lot of creative professionals like to use them after they are very familiar with the coding language. And for the air block, we just launched it on Kickstarter, I think in December, and we raised over $830,000. So on Kickstarter, I think it was considered one of the most successful projects launched. And for our Lu Wang, we just launched it on Kickstarter as well, and we raised over $100,000 within 12 hours. So that was quite a milestone for us as well.
Terrific. For more information, where can people go?
Feel free to hop onto our website, www.makeblock.com, or hop onto our Facebook site. We also have a Twitter handle, so just come and explore more.
Again, it is called Makeblock. Lu Wang, thanks for taking the time with us.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.